As night envelops you, your eyelids close, and you drift into sleep, losing consciousness as your body rests. But your brain, far from resting, engages into a period of extraordinary activity. Metabolic, cellular, and cognitive processes take place during this time. These are some of the intricate tasks your brain orchestrates as you sleep. What truly happens within our minds as we dream, and how does our body respond to this hidden symphony? Welcome to Behind the Veil, the science of sleep. Imagine your brain as a grand metropolis, where night brings a restless calm. The hypothalamus, the city's timekeeper, orchestrates the city's rhythms and circadian cycles, working with the suprachiasmatic nucleus to monitor light and time. Together, they trigger the sleep switch, initiating neurotransmitters that inhibit the systems responsible for wakefulness. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, rises in response to darkness, signaling to our brain to wind down, urging us to embrace rest. The city slows, heart rate decreases, breathing softens, and muscles relax. This marks stage non-REM 1, or drowsiness, the transition from wakefulness to sleep, lasting about 10 minutes. Here enters the reticular formation, the guardian of the sleep-wake cycle, ensuring systems gradually slip into relaxation, preparing the brain for deeper sleep. Meanwhile, gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, swoops in like a calming tide, inhibiting neuron activity, quieting the mind, and easing us into slumber. Stage non-REM 2, or light sleep, follows, accounting for about 50% of total sleep. Muscle tone diminishes, and brain activity slows. The first delta waves emerge, and will dominate the deeper stages of sleep. As we drift off, glutamate, the excitatory neurotransmitter, takes a back seat, allowing the brain to enter deeper sleep stages. A key figure emerges, the hippocampus, the city's librarian, who organizes daily memories and learning, and decides what to keep or discard on the long-term memory. Collaborating with the neocortex, the city's mayor, and organizer of conscious, rational thought, the hippocampus consolidates knowledge and memory. But as sleep deepens, the neocortex releases control. We've reached stage non-REM 3, or deep sleep, which accounts for about 20% of total sleep. Brain hums with slow delta waves, marking this as the stage of restoration. Growth hormones are released, and tissue repair begins. Now the amygdala awakens, the emotional heart of the brain. She is the star of the night, triggering emotional activity and weaving the fabric of our dreams. The neocortex collaborates in giving structure to the dreams. Despite its diminished logical capacity at this moment, it gives recognizable form to the abstract nature of human thought, defying logic and the laws of space and time. Together, they create a unique spectacle, dreams. We enter the REM stage, the night's most vibrant phase, the climax of this process. Dreams come alive. The amygdala triggers a burst of emotions: joy, fear, sadness, projecting surreal and evocative scenes. Meanwhile, the thalamus, the Secretary of Communications, regulates sensory data flow. It processes external stimuli. During non-REM, it closes the gates, isolating the city to facilitate rest. But in REM, it opens them, projecting internal sensations. The thalamus channels sounds, images, and emotions, shaping the dream narrative. The pons, the director of transport, manages signals between brain regions, keeping the body paralyzed to allow dreaming without physical consequence. During REM, neural traffic surges like wakefulness. A storm of lights, sounds, and movements shakes the entire city, while the pons manages this flow without losing control. Dreams spread through brain pathways, the neocortex interpreting the amygdala's impulses. The hippocampus preserves important memories, while the thalamus manages external communication, channeling internal sensations to the dreaming mind. Thus, in this dance of order and creative chaos, the brain restructures itself and prepares for new dawn. The cycle's completed until the next night. This cycle between non-REM and REM lasts about 90 minutes, repeating 4 to 6 times nightly throughout our lives. But sleep isn't just rest, it's crucial for mental health. Deep non-REM sleep consolidates memories and reinforces neural connections, essential for learning and cognitive functions. Balance between sleep stages is key to health. The brain's lymphatic system clears toxins and waste during sleep. In the short term, disrupted or insufficient sleep compromises these functions, affecting mental clarity, decision-making, and emotional regulation. Sleep deprivation has significant impacts, impairing our focus ability and to retain information. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to serious issues like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and weakened immunity. Studies tie sleep deficiency to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and emotional disorders like anxiety and depression. Without recovery time, the brain struggles with stress and anxiety regulation, which impacts our emotional well-being and cognitive development. That's why cultivating healthy sleep habits and acknowledging the importance of restorative sleep is the most valuable investment in our overall well-being. Though we dream nightly, we remember just few of these experiences, often due to their emotional intensity and the precise moment we wake. Late-stage REM dreams tend to be more vivid. Waking during this phase increases recall. Ironically, trying to remember a dream can make it elusive. The brain seems wired to let some dreams fade while retaining others, perhaps based on emotional significance or cognitive relevance. Understanding sleep cycles is more than scientific curiosity. It's vital for improving the quality of our life. By understanding how and why we dream and how the brain heals during sleep, we can make better lifestyle choices. Sleep is a pillar of health. It sharpens memory, balances emotions, and enhances overall sense of well-being. Caring for the dreaming brain is caring for ourselves. Allowing time to recover and renew is one of the most rewarding investments we can make in ourselves. In the next episode, we will explore the mysteries of lucid dreaming. Don't miss it. Dream. Explore. Reveal.